Hi. Oh,
Hi.
oh my God. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I am fine. Mm, where are you from?
We just talked like 15 minutes ago.
Yeah. Yes.
Mhm.
Oh,
Do you have any new questions?
yes. Okay. Mm, uh, can you tell me your daily routine?
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
I usually get up
Yeah.
around 6 in the morning. Then
Oh,
I'll come on Cambly and I'll teach. And then after Cambly, I'll make some breakfast and I'll walk my dog. And maybe I'll do some volunteer work that day. And then in the
okay.
afternoon, I'll do Cambly again. And then when I'm done, I'll do some reading, maybe have some dinner, something like that.
Okay.
And then in the night, I usually do something with my friends on Zoom. What about you?
Okay. So, hmm? What time is there?
It is 3:30. 3:30. So
Oh,
that is about 15:30.
yeah. Okay. Uh, here, 1:59 a.m.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, night.
Yeah. Why are you up so late?
Yeah. So, अरे यार,
What's your daily routine?
my, uh, mm, so firstly, uh, I normally get up 6 o'clock every morning, and after then I take the shower, and then I offer the namaz and Holy Quran. Then after then um, I take breakfast, and uh, and after then I start my study, uh, 9 o'clock, um, in morning. So I 9 o'clock to 12 online classes on 12 o'clock. Yeah. So then I take lunch and rest.
Very nice. So you do 3 hours, three
Yeah.
hours of classes?
Yeah. Online classes, school classes.
Very
Yes.
good. So what do you do
Yes.
after lunch?
Uh, mm, sleeping and reading book. Yeah.
Very good. So you go to sleep like at
Yes.
2 in the morning and then wake up at 6? You don't
Yeah.
sleep a lot. I couldn't do that. I'd be too tired.
Okay.
Very
So,
good. Have you ever traveled somewhere?
mm, yeah.
Where have you gone?
Uh, I am go mm, any park and market,
Very
anything.
good.
Yeah.
Have you ever been on a vacation? Vacation.
Sorry?
A vacation. So
At
like a
home.
trip out of the country or out of India? Have you ever been out of India?
Sorry?
Have you ever been to some place that's not India, like America or Europe or some place?
No.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Let's see. What do you like to do with your friends?
Gossip.
Gossip. Is one of your friends with you? I hear her.
Sorry?
I hear your friend.
Oh, okay. She's my sister.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Is she
Actually,
helping you with English?
yes. Actually, firstly, my brother used to help me speak English, and um, mm, uh, before 2 days ago, I am alone.
Oh.
Today is my helping sister. Yes.
Very good. That's nice that they help you. That's very kind of them.
Yes, my English is very weak. I'm interested in English.
But you're doing very good. You're doing really good. So let's see. What are your classes? Your classes in school? Like English or math?
Yeah, English, Urdu, science. Yeah, Urdu.
What's Urdu? What is it?
Our language.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
Okay.
Hindi, Urdu. Yes.
Very nice. Very fun.
Yeah.
So it's like in America, we have English classes for like grammar and stuff like that.
Indian language is Hindi, Urdu.
Very
Yes.
cool. Very nice. So what's your favorite class?
English.
English. Very
Yes.
good.
I love
Very
English.
Nice. Why do you love English?
I like spoken English. English is very important. I like it.
Very good. Very good.
Yes.
Let's see. Do you like any sports?
Sorry?
Sports like exercise or basketball or baseball or football, soccer?
No.
No?
Only walk.
Only walk. Well, walking is
Yes.
good. Do you ever walk mountains?
No, plan area.
Oh, okay. So
Yes.
flat.
Yeah.
What does India look like? Are there many trees?
Yes. Trees, mountains, rivers. Yes.
Oh, very nice. And do you like to walk by the river and the trees?
Yes.
Very nice. Can you do that now or no because of the pandemic? Coronavirus. Can you still do it?
Yes, coronavirus.
Can you still walk?
No.
Very good. Let's see. Do you ever like to paint your nails?
No. I am Muslim.
Oh, so Muslims don't paint their nails?
No.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay.
Mehendi. You know?
Is that the...
Yes.
Yeah, I know. Very pretty. I think it's very pretty.
Yeah.
Very nice. Well, it was nice talking with you again, Sahiba. Bye.
Bye.